So this is the what is it, this the 5th of, is it the 5th? Is it the 5th or the 6th of July? I think it's the 6th of July 2018. And just give you an update on what I have in my polytunnel. I'm based in the UK. It's very hot at the moment, very sunny. So this is my what? This is my pumpkin plant. I have 2, and they're blossoming. I've only got 2 pumpkins, which is, I think I've got 3 actually now. Like, there's one, and there's 2. That looks like it's not very well. And then I have another one on the end here. I have one here, a tiny one here. All the rest are males. You do get a lot of males, that I've noticed. This is my squash plants. There's quite a few in there that I'm going to have to thin out because some of them have just died inside. But I have I've seen a squash. Here we go. Can you see? There. Right. I can get the leaf down so you can see better. Am I even looking at you? No. There we go. Yeah, isn't that cool? So I've seen one out of all the plants that I've seen. So I might have to have another look. Might see another one. Okay, so this is a tomato plant. They're full of flowers soon, and here's some tomatoes, and there's some tomatoes too. And then I also have in this pot broad beans. I think it's broad beans. There they are. There we go. Broad beans in here. And then we have my carrots. There's my carrots. We have over here aubergine. They're starting to flower now. Awesome. Got a kale, and we have a Savoy cabbage. I'm all about mixing up my plants. Savoy cabbage. In here is my courgette plant. It's flowering again. I've already had 2 lovely yellow courgettes. There's another one there. There's another one growing there. Moved. That's it. Then I have my other courgette plant, which is in here, as you can see. I've only had, I think, 1 courgette off that, which will be this one. Here is another tomato plant. It's starting to flower. And also in here we have no, sorry, this is not my tomato plant. This is my watermelon plant, and it's going to start to flower soon, as I can see flowers. So I'm going to have to do some research on YouTube to see how to best tie this one up, because it's watermelon. In this pot we have 2 sweet corn and a cucumber and peppers. Yep, a variety in here. I know these sweet corns have grown slower. You can see grown slower because this sweet corn here, which was in a pot as well, I took it out and planted it directly into my veg plot, has grown a lot faster. There's 1 corn there and there's 1 corn there. So I know for next time now that I need to plant them in my plot and not in pots, or in pots, but just on their own. Here's my courgette plant. Not my courgette, it's too early for me. My kale. And here's my peas. Now I got mixed up this year, and I got peas and mango roots, or whatever they're called, mixed up. But didn't matter, they still grew. I've had about 3 loads of peas. These, and what I found is once they give you the thing, they die. So I've actually started planting some more new ones, so I have to start clearing these out so I can get rid of my new ones. Here we have leeks, and I have leeks there too, and I have, these are mini gems lettuce, and here I have gherkin cucumbers, and basically they're attached to a piece of wire at the top, and then the string comes down, so that's what's holding all of them up. They do like to, look, there's a little one there, they do like to touch each other and share, so I have to constantly separate them. Let's see what else. If we go down the middle of my plot, which is an 8-foot by 8-foot plot, because this is what I had first before I did the polytunnel. So here we have my beans. See the beans, and I've planted some new ones here. As these get to grow and give me bare fruit, I have new ones, and I have these mini gems here. That I'm not too sure what that is. Here we have another courgette plant, and we have a flowering. So we have a courgette there and a courgette there. So these are my males. So what I do is, maybe a bit tough, is get my males, tear them open, expose that, and then push it in, put it all around, make sure I cover all of the end. Now this one looks a bit gone, but I'm going to still try. Push it in, and that's it. And I just usually leave them on the side to go in there. So this is my messy spinach plot. They've grown so quick and so long that they've all entangled. So today I'm going to literally strip back all of this completely, dig them all up, and I should from all the leaves on here, I should have a big stack of spinach to last me for about a week. I've actually started planting new ones. As you can see, them getting so big, look, them actually falling over now onto the new stuff. So these are the new ones I've planted. I've got beetroot, spinach, Swiss chard, and more beetroot here. Beetroot there. So I'm going to be planting more spinach on this side and something on this side. And here we have more peas in here, which, as I said, some of them are dying off now, some of them are still growing, and some of them are nearly finished. So I've started growing some in there, so those will come through. And then we have, these are peppers. Then we have green red cabbage, and then we have more spinach. Oh, when I have a time. And then over here we have potato and potato. Those are potatoes I found in the cupboard that were growing and had roots on, so I thought, yeah, let's put them in. Then this is sweet potato slips. I have to actually replant these because they're getting really long now, and I have one in the house as well, so I'm going to start replanting these. So I have to start getting some tubs for those. And I have here spring onion and spring onion, and that's my veg plot in my polytunnel. That's it for today. See you later. Bye.